Today, they are announcing an investment of $165 million to support equity to build the capacity in the micro, small, and medium enterprises. So it gives me a real great pleasure to say we are really honored to take the responsibility of empowering our micro enterprises, nurturing them to grow, building their capacity. They are the future multinationals from Africa. So we have come up with the Marshall Plan for Africa, the Africa Recovery and Resilient Plan. Two powerful words framed together. The first one is to recover. But we don't just want to recover, we want to build better. We have realized what doesn't work. We want to build our institutions in a more sustainable way. If we build them sustainably, then they will be resilient for future shocks. They would be able to do better and to cope with the challenges of the future much better.
IFC's entry into the shareholding of Equity Group is a significant milestone for our partnership, I believe. And I would like to thank Equity Group for their support in getting us to where we are today. Supporting SMEs, digital finance services, and climate-friendly projects is central to our strategy in Africa to help create jobs, of course, but also to respond to climate change and leverage opportunities. As we expand our partnership between our two groups, we are pleased to collaborate closely with British International Investment to support Equity Group, especially their Kenyan subsidiary, and to expand lending for small businesses and for smart, climate-smart projects.
Why I'm here today is to celebrate the growing partnership together with the Equity Group and our excitement to be part of the group's ambition and inspirational plan to turbocharge the African Recovery and Resilience Plan, which personally I find a very inspirational and a motivating call to action. And we're going to be contributing in this $165 million, together with our partners IFC, our $50 million to pursue the important agenda of micro and small enterprises, as well as climate-smart investments.